Guys, I will unbox this one. Ayan. This is portable light. Oh, umilaw na siya agad. Ouch! Umilaw na siya, guys. Umilaw siya agad. Chargeable siya. Ito yung charger niya. Type C. Yan. Nakailaw na siya. Oh, may basta chargeable, and this one. And how to off this? Here. And you can on. Why? And then change the color. And change here. Oh, and then I will. This is a magnetic, and then you can like that. And you can remove this one so that you can put the where you put. I just put here. Ayan, where is my hand? I was just put her because it's so really dark. And wait, this one, guys, I just put like that. And I wanna remove this sticker. Remove this. Wait, why cannot? Ayaw hiti, oy. It's so hard, guys. Hiti is very disturb. Ayan. Already remove, and then I put here. Wala na, hindi siya na hindi siya na straight. Oh my goodness. And then, oh, look at that one. And then you can change the color. It's nice. Then, ayan. So that, natanggal siya. Hindi siya na straight ko paglagay. Kasi madilim siya dito banda eh. Pag maghugas ako ng plato, ayan. Ang ganda niya, guys. Yan. You need to, if you want to charge, you can remove like that. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.